Steam Community 101, Steam Community Search Users. Steam Community is a platform where you can interact with other Steam users and share your gaming experiences. You can join groups, chat with friends, post screenshots, videos, artwork, guides, reviews, and more for your favorite Steam games. You can also follow the latest news and updates from developers and publishers, or participate in events and giveaways. Steam Community is also where you can access the Steam Workshop, a platform where you can find and submit new content and modifications for your favorite Steam games. You can browse, rate, and download new content and modifications from other players, or create your own with the Steam client. Different games may use the Steam Workshop in different ways, but everything here is created by members of the Steam community, just like you. To join the Steam community, you need to have a Steam account and the Steam app installed on your computer. You can sign into the Steam community using your Steam username and password, or create a new account if you don't have one. You can also access the Steam community from your web browser, mobile device, or console,